Make it your way with GrabCAD Print, the Stratasys software solution for streamlining your 3D printing workflow. With this powerful but intuitive software, you don't need to be a 3D printing whiz. GrabCAD Print's straightforward interface and easy accessibility will have you printing 3D professional quality parts in minutes. Don't waste time converting and fixing STL files. GrabCAD Print can convert CAD files natively to 3D print with seamless CAD import and realistic 3D slice preview. What you see is what you get. GrabCAD Print allows you to manage all of your Stratasys 3D printers at once and create a smart factory that effortlessly runs the most advanced 3D printing technology at the push of a button. Intelligent business insights such as material consumption and printer utilization reports help you work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Stay up to date on the status of all your printers and materials with the mobile app and notifications. And monitor your prints from anywhere, at any time. The digital manufacturing revolution is here. Make additive manufacturing easier, more connected, and more accessible than ever before with GrabCAD Print.